Hi guys, and welcome back to GSM-ABC YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook password. Now first thing you need to do is go to Facebook, then click on these three lines, and then click on this gear to go to settings. After that, click on account center here and scroll a bit down and access password and security. Now click on the first one that says change password, select your profile, and now you have three fields: the current password, your new password, and then you need to retype your new password. After you're done, you just click change password and your password will be changed. And now you're all done. Thank you guys for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next tutorial.